Welcome to the Pam's Kitchen. These are colocasia leaves and today we will make a delicious recipe of these leaves. First, we will finely chop the leaves, wash them and transfer it to a cooker. Add 1 cup kidney beans. These beans are soaked in water for 5 hours. After 2 whistles, turn off the gas. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 chopped tomato and fry for 5 minutes. Now add chopped onions and fry for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Add 1 tablespoon of bay leaf powder. Add half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 cup grated coconut. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Fry for 5 minutes. Make a smooth paste of the masala. In the same pan, pour the mixture. Add sufficient water to make gravy. Now add the cooked arbi leaves to the gravy. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Keep stirring. Add 5 to 6 cucumbers. Keep for 10 minutes on medium flame. Thanks for watching.